Hello there. This is question 21 from section 2.8 of John Stewart's Early Calculus Transcendals. Basically, this question is about using the limit definition of a derivative in order to find a derivative. So I'm just going to go over the general strategy here, and then I'll solve the problem for us. So the first is basically you have to use the limit definition. So more or less, you're going to put in x plus h into the function everywhere you see an x. And then you're going to put in x everywhere you see an x, and then you're going to put all over h. And generally speaking, you're going to not want the h on the bottom, because if you just put 0 in for h right away, you get a division by 0, and that's kind of a no-no in math. It's technically undefined. So our goal is to cancel the h in the denominator, which means we have to factor it out first in the top. So let's begin. Here we have 3x minus 8. So we're going to use our limit definition. So the question is, what is f of x plus h and what is f of x? So in this case, f of x plus h is we're literally just putting in x plus h into the formula where we see an x. Pretty simple. All right, so now we're going to try and factor out the x from this expression, right? So to begin with, I'm going to distribute the 3 and the minus into the function, just because it makes things a little bit easier here. Okay? So we end up with 3x plus 3h minus 8 minus 3x plus 8. Now, one thing which you'll notice here right away is that you have a plus 3h, you have a plus 3x and a minus 3x, and you have a minus x and a plus 8. So as it says, cancel where possible, right? So we see that the plus 8 and the minus 8 are going to cancel, the plus x and the minus 3 are going to cancel, and all you're going to be left with is 3h over h. The h's cancel off, and then you just have a limit of 3. If you try to substitute 0 directly in for all the h's, well, there's no h's left, so you just get 3. And that's how you solve the problem. If this helped, give a like and consider subscribing, and I'll be posting more videos from this section as time goes on. If there's a specific problem that you need some help with, just ask, and I'll try to walk you through it.